Welcome back to Couture Sewing Tips and Secrets. Today we're showing you the back stitch. You can use this stitch in your everyday sewing by mending seams because it's very strong. I'm going to start with a double thread with a knot. Go in and take a stitch. Depending on what you're doing, your stitch length will differ. Go backwards into the stitch that you started out at and the same stitch length away. Come through and repeat. Now this stitch is what was used for main seams everywhere before sewing machines came around. It's that strong. So to end your stitch, just finish your last one coming out rather than farther ahead, right at your last stitch. And use an anchor. Through the hole, hold tight, then hide your thread. I'm turning it around so that my knot is going to be more in line with my stitching rather than backwards. And pulling my thread through all the layers of fabric here. Again, this stitch would be used to hold 2 layers of fabric together really well. It's a main sewing stitch. And of course, in couture, it's always as clean and beautiful on the back as it is in the front. Here's the front and the back. Again, the front and the back.